Okay, your girl has like press-on nails, and I'm worried one's gonna pop off. Prestige worldwide, worldwide.
Prestige worldwide, wide.
You guys, I am so excited. I've been wanting to share this with you guys. Okay, so I'm really sorry. I know I had just uploaded a PR unboxing from Influencer, but this came in the mail today, guys, and this is seriously the most exciting PR package I've ever gotten, and I've been keeping a secret from you guys, is that I'm a Sigma affiliate! Okay, so a couple weeks ago, Sigma Beauty emailed me and they were like, hey, you know, we love your content. We would love for you to become a part of our affiliate program. And I was so like awestruck, I guess, that, I don't know, to me, like, I honestly have actually never tried Sigma Beauty. I've heard so much about them. A lot of my favorite YouTubers use them, and a lot of the YouTubers, like, I'm trying to think, like Stephanie Lange, That Taylor, I know uses Sigma codes quite often. I can't think of any more off the top of my head, but a lot of the influencers or YouTubers who promote Sigma are like always honest, and they're always, I don't know, I just had such a like good impression, I guess, of Sigma. So first off, they sent me a little welcome PR kit, and I'm so excited. But before I open this, I just want to let you guys know, like I said, this is my first time even owning anything Sigma. And one thing, if you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know how honest I am. And I think this is kind of funny, but I'm a Libra, and I'm a true Libra. Like, I will be honest and kind of find the good and bad in things, situations, people, even that I like. I always want to weigh the good and the bad. So just because I'm an affiliate does not mean I'm going to rave about every single product, does not mean, you know, I'm going to have a different mindset. Like, yes, I'm excited. I'm still going to be, you know, talking about these very honestly, even though I'm so excited, even though I am an affiliate. Your guys' loyalty and trust is worth way more than the amount that I would be making off Sigma sales, if that makes any sense. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm gonna open it with you guys. I haven't even touched it. This is what it looks like. The box is so cute. It's like matte with like glossy writing, and it says Sigma Beauty. There's a little card. Oh my gosh, if it says my name, I'm gonna be so excited. They wrote my name personally. Okay, I know how stupid I probably sound, but like, to me, this is a big milestone, and I'm just like so excited that we're doing this together. Anyways, it says, Julia, welcome to the Sigma family, gorgeous. Enjoy your Sigma goodies. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. That was so sweet. Like, I don't know, this is just so exciting. Like, I'm gonna put this on my fridge. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, anyways. I'll just take what's the first thing. The first thing I got in here is a solid makeup brush cleanser. It says patent pending Sig Magic 2-in-1 deep cleans makeup brushes quickly and easily. Oh, that's cool. It has suction cups on the back. It says it's antimicrobial, gentle and effective, silicone texture, scrub away dirt and germs. I'm so excited to try this. I am raw and ratchet with my brushes, and I just twirl them in my hand. So I'm excited that I actually have a nice makeup brush cleaner that, ooh. Oh, you guys, that's so cool. And it has the makeup brush cleaner in the device. That is so neat. I don't even have to worry about getting soap. Let's see, it says directions. Secure suction cups in sink, swirl wet brush on texture to lather, rinse well with warm water, repeat as needed. I'm so excited. This is gonna make my brush cleaning process so much more fun and exciting, because I freaking hate cleaning my brushes. Like this video if you wish you could just hire somebody to clean all your makeup brushes. And obviously everything I'm pulling out today, I will link it down below for you guys in case you guys want to purchase it. You'll have to use my code. I think it's Julia Z. I'll put it up right here, whatever it is, and I'll put it in the description box as well. Okay, so it looks like there is a eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. I like turn my cooler down on low so it's not as noisy for you guys, but it's so freaking hot. So excuse me if I start sweating. I might, you know what? Guys, I'm really sorry for the background noise, but I'm gonna turn it on high. I'm so freaking hot. I'm gonna be like, melting. Okay, sorry guys. I live in Tucson, Arizona, and it is monsoon season, and it's so freaking hot. Anyways, okay, so I got this Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Looks so pretty just from the picture. Let's see. Comment down below. Let's do a little poll. I'll put a poll up here. Would you guys rather see a review after I've been using all these products, or would you guys like to see a first impressions with all of these products? You can vote in the poll and also comment your vote down below. So just comment first impressions or review. What would be more beneficial to you guys? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is actually a really pretty palette, you guys. Oh my gosh, this passion fruit color is so pretty. I love pink transition shades for some reason. They're just my cup of tea. Wow. So these feel like they're gonna blend out like a dream, guys. They're very soft. This toasty color is a perfect transition shade. Holy cow, guys, they're swatching actually really, really, really nice. I'm so impressed. Let's try a shimmer. I want to get into this color, Fool's Gold. Okay, that one actually doesn't swatch very well. Maybe I need to dig in more. I'm not super impressed with that Fool's Gold shade. Let's try one more shimmer. Let's try Bittersweet, which is this shade here. Ooh, that one looks way better already. Oh yeah, look at that one. Okay, so all of the shades I've swatched except for that Fool's Gold are freaking gorgeous. I can't wait to work with this. This is the Sigma Aura powder, and it is in the color Nymphaea. Let's see, is this a highlighter or is this a blush? I feel like my nail's gonna pop off. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's holographic. It does seem like it might be a blush. Let's see. Yes, it is a blush. And it's actually super pretty. What a gorgeous shade. Again, this is called Nymphaea. And like I said, I'll link everything down below in order that I'm pulling it out for you guys. But this is so pretty. Honestly, that's one thing I lack in my collection is blushes. And the other day I was just thinking like, I need to re-up on my blushes. I like that the compact has a mirror. That's really nice, a nice big mirror. Oh, I'm like getting all sweaty. But I'm so excited to use this. Next we have an eyeshadow base primer. This one is in the color Persuade. That will come in handy. I haven't found a decent eyeshadow primer that like is worth me using over concealer. I did actually really like the Urban Decay primer, but I just had a sample size and I ran out, so we'll see how this is. Comes in kind of like a pen form. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of actually like a pink peachy color. Feels really nice, so I'm excited to give that a try. Maybe this will be my holy grail eyeshadow primer. Maybe not. I'll let you guys know honestly. Okay, next in here we have a Sigma gel eyeliner in the shade Wicked, which I believe, yep, is black. This one I'm definitely gonna try out, but if you guys ever notice, I never wear eyeliner. Like, it's just not something that I wear. I have hooded eyes, and I feel like on my particular like eye shape and everything, eyeliner just doesn't look that good, but I'm gonna give this a try. That way I can tell you guys what I think. If you are a gel eyeliner kind of gal, I have to say again, the packaging is so cute. It is glass. Seriously, like, how does Nicole Guerrero do it? Like, have you seen Nicole Guerrero's nails? Like, they're put these to shame, and I don't know how she does it. Ooh, that is super, super, super black. Let me see. I'll just like stick my, oops, I kind of got a lot. My knuckle in there. Ooh, you guys, that is such a nice consistency. It almost feels like wet. Really, really nice. And it's very black too, which I've tried a couple gel eyeliners back when I dabbled in eyeliners, and it was really hard to find a really black gel liner. So if you're in the market for a black gel liner, this one feels so nice. Okay, next, I'm so excited! They sent me some brushes. Okay, I want to touch the biggest one first. So this is the F80 Flat Kabuki. Can I just say I'm excited to have some brushes that like have names where like, I know guys like some of my makeup tutorials, I'm so terrible. I'm like, oh, this is a elf brush. I don't know the name because like a lot of times they don't have the name. Like this one, I never know. Like I use it all the time and I'm like, this elf fluffy brush. You know what I mean? I'm excited to actually have brushes if I like these that I can actually tell you guys exactly what they are. And this brush actually, it says Best of Beauty Allure Award winner 2016. So that's kind of cool. This brush apparently won a major award.
It's a major award.
Yes, it does. It has the brush name and number on the actual handle. I'm so excited. Let's see. So this, I feel like, you guys, this feels so nice. I feel like this will be really nice for foundation. I'm definitely a brush gal. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome for foundation. You might be replaced, elf. If you guys have been around my channel, this has been like my go-to foundation brush. We're gonna duke it out. This one, this one's seen better days, but that's why these are more affordable because they don't last very long. But we'll see how this guy does. Okay, next brush. I'm gonna open this one. This is the F06 Powder Sweet Brush. Now I do have what looks very similar. I do have a Morphe M510 brush, which a lot of YouTubers like that for highlighter. And I'm not a big fan of this. It's just, I don't know. I still prefer using my fingers over this, and I feel like I really have to dig in my highlighters to get good color payoffs. So I wasn't super crazy about this brush, and we'll have to see if this one is any better. Well, I'll tell you right off the bat, this one is more dense, and this one feels a lot softer. I feel like this Morphe brush, it's definitely more thick and coarse, and this one is softer. So already, just from feeling it, I like this brush. I think this one's gonna work a lot better. Yeah, it's more dense, so it's gonna pick up more color and it's gonna deposit it nicer. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, next, this looks like a Morphe brush 2 that I have. This one looks like the Morphe M330 brush, which you guys know I do love this brush. I recommend this brush all the time. So if you're looking for a really good crease brush, I always recommend this one. I think it works really well. But let's pull out this guy and compare. This actually does not seem similar. No, these aren't very similar. So this one's more tapered, as you can see, and this one is more rounded and fluffy. So I wouldn't say these are comparable. Well, yeah, if you're looking for a good, like, precise, more precise crease brush. I do have to admit that that one's pretty good. And this one feels pretty stiff. Ooh, actually it feels really nice when I'm putting it in my eye. And it feels very, very soft. That's one thing, every single brush I've touched is really, really soft. And this is the, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is the E38 diffused crease brush. Oh yeah, this brush is way heavier than the Morphe brush. Like, these brushes feel sturdier and just, they feel different. They feel like if you were to put these two in my hand and tell me which one feels more high quality, I would say this one because it's just heavier. It just has a better, I don't know. These feel way different, a lot better. Okay, I have 2 more left. Oh, cool, so they did give me an E6 winged liner brush, so I can use that with that gel liner. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice this. That's kind of nice. Do all the boxes have that? Yeah, they all do. That's cool. So on the boxes, they all have a function. So like the foundation brush, it says buffed foundation application, unique feature, dense and flathead, recommended use, blend liquid, or cream products onto flat areas of face such as forehead and cheeks. This one says, creates the perfect wing liner. The unique feature is thin, wispy, and steeply angled brush head. It says it applies cream, liquid, or powder products effortlessly with precise and ease control. That is so neat. I really like that they say that, because I know when I first started out with makeup, I had no idea what brush was for what. Like, sometimes I still don't use brushes the correct way, but it's nice that they tell you what technically the brush is for. So that is super nice. Dang, that is super, super precise, guys. I honestly don't think, yeah, this is the most precise brush, smallest brush I own now. So I'm excited that I have this to use with that gel liner. And the last brush is an E59 wide shader. It says it gives an even and intense wash of color across the entire lid, which I need a new brush like this. I mostly use crease brushes and just use that for my lid because I don't have a good lid brush. That one feels nice. It is pretty big, but I mean, I guess I kind of have small eyelids, so I mean, I guess it's big for me, but it is pretty dense, so I'll have to try this out, see how well it deposits the color. Alrighty guys, so we got through the whole thing. That is what I got in my Sigma PR package. If you got all the way to the end of this video, comment down below your favorite makeup brand of all time. Just in general, if you had to pick one, what is your favorite makeup brand? Comment down below. I like to see what brands you guys like, and I always think that's fun. Thank you guys so much for sitting through this with me. I'm sure I was a little much and I just was so excited, but I really appreciate you guys sitting with me and being here with me, because if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't even have this opportunity. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for every single view, every single every single comment. I have to say, I have a really awesome group that just constantly shows me love and support no matter what. I'm sure you know who you are. There's definitely a lot of you out there, but I appreciate everybody. I appreciate you guys so much. And also a huge thank you to Sigma Beauty. Again, I'm so excited, and just the fact that I'm such a small YouTuber. I just feel so honored and excited that they are kind of taking a leap of faith. So hopefully I can put these to good use. And again, guys, don't forget to vote. Would you rather see a review on these products or a first impression? Let me know down below, and I will be happy to do that for you guys. Also, if you do like Sigma Beauty, use my code. I would love for you to use my code, and I would feel so special. But if you already have someone you use, keep using them. But if you don't, I would love to be your Sigma girl. And yeah, I think I've blabbed enough this video. I will let you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, my next video should be a Walmart fashion haul. I did find some bougie things at Walmart, so stay tuned for that. Click that bell if you want to be notified when that video comes out, unless you're already part of my notification squad. Pound it. Alright guys, bye for reals.
I've been searching all day long, try to be the perfect one.